Kain tayo mga shots. Babe, I did. Huh?
If you had taken the medicine, it would have been okay by now. I've been taking the same medicine like you have, but you're not taking it regularly. You're missing it in between.
Kain tayo mga shots. Yung ulam kong pansit. Yan lang yung aming dinner for tonight. Babe, is that okay with you?
Old village.
Why? That's
So much pancit.
why.
You know what? I have to end up eating all this because you guys will not eat tomorrow.
No, we will eat.
No, you will not. I know you and Nicole will not eat the second day, the same thing second day. So who's going to end up eating? I'm going to end up eating all this.
I'm going to eat too, babe. Ayan, I will have her taste also tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Natulog na si Ayan ng maaga kasi walang afternoon nap. Ewan ko kung gigising pa yun. Pag gigising yung kakain nyo ng pansit. Ay naku. Gabi na naman, sumumpong na naman yung aking lagnat. Yeah, on Monday, if I still have this, I have to go to the doctor, babe. What's today? Saturday, right? So there's another day tomorrow. And the next day, I will have to go there. I don't know what's going on.
Because you're taking it regularly.
Babe, I did, babe. How many times I told you?
In the morning at 8 o'clock, have one medicine. Then 2 o'clock.
Babe, 3 times a day.
Yes.
Yeah.
How, you had 3 times a day today?
Yes.
What time you had the first one?
8 o'clock, I had 12. Then I don't have
What you had?
right now.
What did you have?
The Alaxan, the BioFlu.
Alexa.
Yeah,
What is the Alexa? You don't take Advil. You don't listen to
I don't have headache now.
It's not a headache. Advil is for body aches.
That's headache, I think so.
No. Advil is for body aches.
Then I will have that later on then. Ay naku, makipagtalo pa talaga siya sa akin. Hindi ko kaya ito pakainin ng pansit ko.
I had it generously. 3 days I had it. It's finished.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah, but you don't listen to me. You do whatever you want to do.
Ay, you like arguing with me too? Stop na nga. Tingnan natin ang ating kapitbahay. Kaya may mga plato sila sa akin. Ito kay Darlene at saka ito kay Mitch. Para makakain sila ng pansit kung birthday ko kasi. Charot. How was it, babe? Good? Inubos na yung lemon. Eat well. Don't argue with me with my video, okay? Or else we will have fight. You want fight? That is too loud. How come you start liking cartoons?
That's Family Guy. I used to always watch. There's 26 seasons. Not 26, 46 seasons going on at the moment.
Yeah, but that's cartoon.
Yeah, it's adult cartoons.
How come you don't? How come you like that?
I like cartoons.
I-
like cartoons.
Babe, don't turn it off. I need lights.
Yeah, that's enough.
Ay, ito yung taong gusto ng madilim. Aswang yata to.
Get.
Oh no.
Did you apply Vicks over here? Didn't do that also. Even I had.
I
cough.
don't know where's the Vicks.
Vicks is lying on my side table. I told you apply Vicks over here when you go to sleep.
Yeah, I don't.
It'll help out. This one, the cough. Even I had cough like you only, right? 2 days. I did the same thing. Everything is okay now.
Yeah, I
You
know.
don't listen to me. That's the problem
Yeah.
with you is.
It's good thing you don't have sick now. Because we need you. Si Monty, nalulungkot din si Monty. Monty, what's your problem? Ha? You have no bills to pay. You just eat and sleep with the aircon. What a good life you have. Huh? Then, you still have got to be a picky eater. Ay, that's not good. Nakakaintindi pa naman siya. Do you understand English? Ay, Diyos ko. Tulong na nga tayo ng ating gamot kaya nag-uumpisa na naman yung aking lagnat. Tapos ko lang kanina ng nagpamassage ako, di ba? Kasi para gumaling ako. Hindi naman pala ako gumaling. Ano ba yan? Ang ganda ng pakiramdam ko kasi yung mga lamig-lamig sa katawan ko, talagang natanggal siya, guminawa yung pakiramdam ko. Kanina mga alas 6, galing namin sa palengke. Nag-umpisa na naman yung lagnat ko. Ano ba yan, nakakainis? Wala na tayong katigil-tigil mag-inom ng gamot. Nandito pa yung ating lalamunang Makati. Patawarin. Bakit ganito, Lord? Ginawa ka ba ng isa? Take naman shoot sa ilalim. Excuse me po. Ay, isa pa. Excuse me po. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Heal me. Ay, tama, copyright man yata tayo. Wait nga lang. Lagyan ko na lang yung ano ni Rice. Lagyan ko ng sounds kasi may nagpapa-music. Ang ko, Diyos ko niyo marimar. Hindi pa nga tayo kumita. May copyright pa tayo. Excuse me po. Yan yung mahirap magtira sa apartment. Kaya ang daming mga ingay. Wala nang Robitussin. Naubos na. Wala nga siyang nainom. Ay. Yung lasa nito parang ano, Vicks. Pait sa ano. May aftertaste na mapait. Kasi pa ako. Tapos pahinga ako ng maaga. Nagising na si Ayana. Okay. Hey! Good evening! Oh, that's good. You wake up early. Oh, no need to cry. Mama got some pancit for you. You want pancit? Yeah, would you like to taste Mama's pancit? Yeah? Yeah, I'll give it to you. You will have pancit for tonight. Yeah, who's that? Yeah, our favorite show, Ate Ayla. See, we're watching. How was your sleep? Yeah, I know. You want pancit? Oh, that's Mama medicine. I had my medicine. Because Mama is not feeling well again. Holy moly. Who's that? What are these Alice doing? Oh, si daddy mo tumatahol pa din. Ikaw ko, lagi inom ka ng gamot mo. Oh, isa ka rin. Ano bang iniinom mong sa ubo? Anong gamot?
Cough suppressor.
Hindi.
Orange.
Ilang beses ka nag-inom? Ilang beses ka nag-inom? Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Dalawa.
3 times a day.
Oh, mami
O, ayusin mo, nagiinom ka. Come, I put you in your chair, then you will eat your pancit. Oh, you still have your milk. You haven't drunk your milk, baby Yana. Which one you like? Pancit or the milk? I think you will eat pancit first, okay? Yana? Pancit first, then later before you go to bed, the milk. Who's that? Ate Ayla. Is that Ate Ayla? Wow. Ate Ayla is a sweet girl. Are you a sweet girl also, Ayana? Baby? Okay. Huwag mong ibutasan yan. Yana yung gamot natin, Yana. Pakainin ko na nga ito siya. Ito, mami, baby. Mama, give me pancit. Mama, give me pancit, okay? Oh, pancit. This is Mommy's pancit. Yeah. It's hot. Be careful.
Ayla, you can unswallow her.
There you go. Eat my shred, baby. No, Mommy will fry that. Chicken. What's the chicken? Yeah, there you like it.
It's mommy.
You like it? It's Mommy's. Okay, let's turn down the volume. Let's turn down.
Love you, Ayla.
There you go. Okay. I will not put calamansi, baby, okay? And lemon, just like that. Where is your spoon, your fork? Let me find your fork. Baby Yana, when you eat When you eat noodles, you have to use fork. This is fork. You have to like do like this. Fork. Oh, I have to shred a little bit. Okay? Is it way too big? Way too long? Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, that's it. Yay! Good job. Good job. Oh, be careful. Careful. Good, you like the pancit? You like pancit? Very good. I forgot your bib. Okay, that's okay. Yay, good job. Good job, matitiga. Monte, you have your food. Monte, your food is there. It's ready. Just dig in. Ay, nag-iinap dito maso na ito. Kasarap puppukin. Gusto niya ng chicken. You like the pancit, Bibiana? I think you like your pancit. Yay! Oh. Yay! Oh, careful. That's her first time to eat my pancit. Bibiana, I think so. Yeah, this is the first time. Nagluto ko ng pancit at kumain siya. That's cute. I want more. Yeah, I will give it you. I'll give you more. But you have to finish that one first, baby. So you won't. I know you're wasting your food. Nakalimutan ko yung babe. Hayaan mo na. Enjoy. Just enjoy, baby Yana. Yeah? Gustong-gusto niya yung pansit. Wala lang ako nilagay. Noodles lang yan. Oh, no. Don't drop it, please. Yeah, use that pork. That's how you do it. Oh, very good. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, aba, may papalipad-lipad pa siya. Oh. Oh, that's so cute, baby. Okay, enjoy. You want more? I'll give you more. Oh, I love you. I love you, my baby Yana. You like my pancit? Is it good? Yummy? Delicious, oh. Oy. Well, seryoso na siya kay Race. Pag ganitong oras, alam nyo na, nood na kami kay Miss Simply Race. Kasi pag nakikita niya si Arlo, si Andy, at saka si Ate Ayla niya, masaya na yan siya. You want more? Okay, I'll give you more, okay? Oh yeah, I know. Nagturo pa siya. I'll give you more. Okay, wait, mommy.